PNP, wake up. The people deserve better. Michy speaks from the heart. Before anyone jumps to judge me, let me make this clear. Michy is PNP to the core. I am not changing. I am not going anywhere. And let me make it clear, loyalty doesn't mean silence. I'm hurt, I'm disappointed, and I'm disgusted. Because right now, I can't stay quiet while the country is burning and the people's voices are being ignored. Look at what's happening in our country, Jamaica. The Tufton scandal saga, police killings of young men, some innocent, some not, and corruption running wild across every corner of government. And what take the cake for me? Rural Reed walking in court saying fourth-term loading. Remember Jack Smith? Who sent him to prison? The PNP, of course, so we want to see the back of Rural Reed. Come on, PNP, use wisdom. In the middle of all that chaos, the People's National Party has gone quiet. Even most mainstream media outlets, and I'm not talking about the biased ones, are asking, where is the PNP voice? Everywhere you go, people are frustrated. They're angry. They're disappointed. Some are even saying, if the politicians won't fight for us, we'll have to fight for ourselves. And listening to the people's cries, it pains my heart. They are losing hope. They feel like they have no voice. The PNP has lost its groove. That fire, that drive, that energy that once made people believe change was possible. Mark Golding, Dayton, Campbell. We are calling you out. Our children are missing daily and intentionally targeted in our society. PNP, where is your voice? The sex offender registry to be made public. PNP, where is your voice? How about Christopher Tufton and Market Me? PNP, where is your voice? They called for Dr. Fenton Ferguson to resign over the dead baby scandal, and he did. But let's be honest, Dr. Ferguson never stole a cent from this country. So why is Christopher Tufton still holding his position after all these corruption allegations and scandalous behavior? PNP, we're calling you out on this one too. It's time to take a bold stand against corruption. No double standards, no silence, no excuses. Honest young men are being killed by police. PNP, where is your voice? And I could go on and on and on. Where is your voice to lead? Let the people see that you are fighting for us, not sitting comfortably in silence. We don't need more press releases. We need passion, purpose, and presence. Portia Simpson Miller would never sit down and allow corruption to strangle this country. She would fight for the people, loudly, fiercely, unapologetically. That's the kind of leadership we miss. That's the kind of courage the people are begging for right now. PNP, you are supposed to be the people's voice, but right now your silence is deafening. If you were in government behaving this way, so laid back, so disconnected, what kind of future would Jamaica have? This isn't the time for comfort. This is the time for courage. The people stood with you in the election. Now you must stand up for them. We can't afford an opposition that's afraid to oppose. We can't afford leaders who watch corruption and shrug. Mark Golding, Dayton, Campbell. Lead from the front. Show us that the fire still burns in the PNP. Prove that the people's trust was not in vain. This is Michy commentary, and I'm saying this straight. I love the PNP, but love for my country comes first. The people are crying out for leadership. PNP, wake up, find your fire, and fight for Jamaica. Because if you don't stand up for the people, soon the people will stop standing up for you. Wake up, fight, lead.